The mighty ball bungee. You guys know it well. It's used for attaching tarps to frames, and the community, you guys have used it in all different types of builds. We love it. It's a great product. Kevin, with his sandbox build, introduced us to a new ball bungee that's really great for working with 3/4 inch EMT conduit. He used it to attach a tarp, a canopy on his sandbox build. He wanted to easily move it from a top position where it was a shade down below and reattach it to something that covered the sand in his sandbox. And the thing that makes this so awesome for building with 3/4 EMT conduit is it snaps on just like that. It fits perfectly with the diameter of conduit, and you can just latch it on. It's a pretty snug fit. It's great, and it really fits well. Such a good find by Kevin, and we wanted to share it with you guys. It's also got a pretty good elastic too. This is nice and heavy duty. So imagine you attach this through a eyelet and a tarp, and then you can easily snap that on to the frame you made out of conduit. A lot of different uses. Imagine maybe hanging it from a pipe like this and you're attaching something like that, or even doubling it over, hitching it over on a frame and then attaching another piece of conduit here if you need a little bit of elastic. Lots of possibilities. We wanted to share because I know you guys are going to get a kick out of this and find it super useful. We're going to link it down below and purchase it from Amazon if you'd like to check it out. They come in these packs. We might even consider carrying it if it's something that you're interested in, so let us know. And I can't wait to see how you use it in your builds. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you in the next one.